In spite of their drawbacks, LCDs with push-button controls are commonly used in industrial systems for on-site monitoring during maintenance. However, there are solutions to rapidly implement more efficient alternatives. Creating and producing these LCD-based user interfaces are very expensive for manufacturers of industrial systems. In spite of their high costs, they are still inefficient for navigating multi-layered menus and offer poor visibility of parameters and measures. These ineffective and costly interfaces decrease maintenance efficiency and increase the risk of human errors. For on-site interventions, wireless and mobiles offer several advantages to improve both efficiency and quality. When connecting, NFC automatically secures and pairs the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi channel and launches the appropriate app. Mobile apps are familiar to them and provide better visibility of complex data and parameters. Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connections allow them to comfortably monitor equipment during servicing and to record data to their mobile. Wi-Fi and LoRa channels can also provide a direct, permanent connection to a network. Technicians and supervisors can check equipment status or monitor data. All they need is an internet connection. TapNLink offers manufacturers of industrial systems immediate solutions for both on-site and remote monitoring. It implements rapidly, requiring only 2 wire connections and a configuration. Apps for iOS and Android are generated automatically. It requires no coding and no expertise. IoTize offers a complete range of wireless devices to meet needs ranging from configuration at installation to remote system monitoring. With TapNLink, manufacturers can benefit from new opportunities immediately and optimize the return on their wireless investment. To learn more about these TapNLink solutions, email industry@iotize.com or click on the link in the description below.